What's going on, guys? Project of the day. Last night I was driving in the dark country road and a guy on the oncoming traffic blinded me so badly I thought my pupils gonna melt. So got me very upset. Came home, looked around the shop thinking of a revenge for people like that, and I found these. These were taking off the Renault that we rebuilt a while ago into the complete stock, and I don't even know if they work or not. But following redneck technology and engineering processes, we're gonna install that on that Toyota. Obviously, safety third, just throw them on a battery to test out if they work or they burn the shop, and they appear to be working fine. So the next question, where are we going to mount them? And at first I wanted to mount them on a traditional way, somewhere around the license plate, maybe behind the grill around the license plate, but then I remembered that I do want to blind people. Opening up a hood, looking around, I thought of mounting them onto the sound make it happeners. Then again, thinking about Florida heat, maybe it will cause like the airflow obstruction or something. But then my almost melted pupil caught a fan mounted on the side of the radiator and this identical symmetrical hole with the factory threads on the other side. Perfect. You should probably measure the length of the bolt, the threads, and all the other engineering stuff, but I did the right thing. I used original Renault bolt and just tried screwing it in, and surprisingly, it was the right thread, so it took it in. Without further thinking, I tightened the LED, and it came looking like it was installed at the factory. The other side required advanced level of redneck engineering. I had to take out a box of screws that I collected for 25 years in case I need them, couple of cans of beers, and solution came into play. The fan is hanging on a rubber bushing with a metal spacer inside. So we're gonna use a washer, LED bracket, another washer, and a longer bolt to attach that to the body and tighten the whole thing up. 20 minutes into the job and the whole thing is already assembled. Feels like some sort of a professional working here, not an amateur. Scary. Question, do we have enough space to close the hood? Of course I didn't measure, but who cares, we'll check it out now. Yep, perfectly symmetrical, enough space on all sides, nothing bangs, nothing rattles, enough airflow. I'll take that. For electrical part, I decided to wait until the night in order to complicate things. Got drunk, found a junk box with wires, found two wires with fuses in them, and I'm going to splice them directly onto the high beams and solder them onto LED. The whole process took me about 20 minutes, 10 of which I spent looking for my soldering iron, for solder, for heat shrink, for crimpers, for connectors, and all that stuff. But other than that, it was red on red, black on black, and it was not that hard, even being drunk and in the dark. Let me let you look under the hood and show you what I've done. Of course, tomorrow I will clean everything up, insulate, waterproof, and make it look presentable. And this way, when we need to blind people, we don't have any shortages and everything functions as it should. Let's look at the other side as well. Looks more or less presentable. Plus, minus, fuse, all attached, all intact. So all we gotta do now is to test it out. I haven't checked it, I haven't tested it. You'll be the first one to see. So parking light, low beam, and the moment of truth, high beam. I think this looks good enough for the girls we date. What do you say? Is this a good project worth time investing or waste of time? Tomorrow I'll patch everything up, clean, make everything nice, waterproof, and we'll call it a day. On this note, I want to thank you for watching, and till next time, take care.